Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all will fine. Today we will start our topic, that is state of environment in India, in which we will study about the state and the conditions of the environment, and of course the dichotomy, in which we will study about how many natural resources exploitation are there, some because of poverty also and because of rich section also, for both section. Basically, in summary, we can say that exploitation are there, and these type of exploitation is not good for the environment. Directly and indirectly, both human beings exploit the environment, and environment also provide so many things, so many natural resources for the people, which is good for the life of the people, which is good for maintaining a good healthy lifestyle for the people. So when we talk about the state of environment in India, in which we particularly talk about the conditions and how many natural resources environment are provided for the people, so that it can maintain a healthy lifestyle for the people who are surviving on the planet. So India has an abundant natural resources, which means India is rich in natural resources. India having so many natural resources are there, and with these natural resources who work as a raw material, which means who work as an input, and because of that one raw material, it convert into finished goods or convert into useful products, and help of producing the output, help for producing in the industry for making a useful product. So we can say that India having so many natural resources are there, so many minerals are there. Abundant means things which are out of the natures and which are in rich manner, basically. So endogenic plants are most fertile. India having the reason most fertile soil fertility are there, which is helpful for the farmers for cultivation activities, which is helpful for the farmers in the farming activity. So we can say that in India, the land which is so fertile, the soil fertility is very good and health of the soil is also very good. So we can say that in India, farmer can do easily farming activity. So India having abundant natural resources. Clear? So in the world suitable for, and these type of soil is suitable for cultivations for the crop activities. The black soil which having in the India only. So what is helpful in this? It is helpful for the cultivations of crop, like cultivations of so many crops, and especially for the cottons. Clear? So cultivation of the crops. So black soil is very good fertility, and the fertility of black soil is also very good in India. So we can say that India having so many natural resources are there. One more thing, India forests support a plateau of floral and faunal. फूल और फल की बात करें तो इंडिया के अंदर मतलब वेराइटीज ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. In biodiversity, when we talk about the biodiversity, bio means living things, diversity means variety. When there's so many variety of living things, so many variety of natural resources, minerals are there, then we will use the word biodiversity. Clear? The country having rich in deposit of bauxite, copper, chromite, diamond. So we can say that the natural resources India having, as compared to more developed country, India having so many natural resources, and these natural resources are work as a raw material and work as an input for making the finished products, for making the useful things, and this finished product and useful thing work as an output, which work is done by the help of capital goods in the industries, and industry is comes under the secondary sector. So these all the things are India having, so many things are there. So out of these, will including writing all these examples, we can say that India having an abundant natural resources. India is rich in natural resources. India having so many things which is helpful for making the useful products with the help of industries which come under the secondary sector. Clear? So uranium and account for nearly 8% of world total iron ore reserve. So out of 100 for all over the world, India having how much percent? 8% only India having. Or which one thing? That is total iron ore reserve. These things who having, that is of India. So out of these concept, we can say that in short, India having so much natural resources. India is rich in natural resources, and these resources are work as a raw material for making a useful product. Clear? But contrasting. Now we will talk about opposite of this. What does it mean? with the abundance of natural resources. Yes, we can't deny this fact. India having so many natural resources are there. India is rich in natural resources. India is a habitat of nearly 18% of world population. Even when occupy हम कितना कर सकते हैं 2.5% only in the world geographical area. कि ऑक्यूपेशन कितना कि कितने ही लोग रह सकते हैं, that is 2.5%. और but India having so many population explosion are there. Or right now we can say that India is a habitat of how many people right now surviving on the planet, which is 18%. The ratio only 2.5 कि इतने ही रह सकते हैं, but कितने रह रहे हैं, that is 18%. तो वो बेसिकली क्या हो रहा है, ये जितने ज्यादा नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है, एक्सप्लोटेशंस आर देयर एंड इट क्रिएट एनवायरमेंट क्राइसिस which is not good for the people and for the environment also. It will harm the environment. So basically first you will write the state of environment in India, in which you will write all the things. India having so many natural resources with the example of all those things: floral, faunal, biodiversity, black soil is good for the cropping the cotton, country having so many bauxite, copper, gold, all the things you can write. After this you will write the opposite things are there, which means contrasting. India can reach in habitat of 2.5% people can survive. इतना परसेंटेज लोग ऑक्यूपाई वर्ल्ड जियोग्राफिकल एरिया का कर दिया, बट हैबिटेट कितना, इट इज नियरली 18%. इवन व्हेन ऑक्यूपाई तो कितना कर सकते हैं 2.5, और कितने लोग रह रहे हैं आउट ऑफ कंपेयर ऑफ 2.5, दैट इज 18%. सो बेसिकली दीज आर मोर पीपल हु आर लिविंग इन द कंट्री with the unemployment category. We can say that these people comes under the category of unemployment. So basically they all are exploit the resources. So in this, pressure of population has so deeply. So now the pressure of population overshadow the natural resources which are rich in manner, which are in the which forms here you can say that abundance of natural resources. So which things overshadow that natural resources, that is of population pressure. So many population are there, so many people living in the country. So population pressure overshadow the natural resources, which are of course we can't deny this fact. Natural resources are so many manner or so many number of people are living, but as compared the natural resources, so many people are living in the country, that pressure of population overshadow our things that is of natural resources. Clear? So nearly 21% of country population is surviving from which one category? Surviving below poverty line. ये वो लोग हैं जो struggle कर रहे हैं for food, for water, for clothes and shelters. They consider on those people who can't survive on the planet because their essential goods is not fulfilled. Clear? These point to certain obvious environment issue. अब ये basically क्या कर रहे हैं? Environment issue create कर रहे हैं. Clear? Natural endowment is getting excessively exploited. अब natural resources basically क्या हो रहे हैं? Exploit हो रहे हैं, exceeding the rate of its regeneration. और regeneration के compare में exploitation की rate ज़्यादा increase हो रही है because of pressure of population, because so many people living in the country and these are categorized on those people who can't fulfill their basic needs, who can't fulfill their essential goods. That's why they are come in the category of BPL, below poverty lines. Below poverty line basically that line, and those people who are categories or consider in this line BPL, which mean those people who can't fulfill their basic need, that is food, water, clothes and shelters. So basically regeneration capacity is less as compared to exploitation capacity of the natural resources. Of course, because of pressure of population, consumption activity and production activities are more. So waste is produces more. That waste are so much that absorption capacity is less now as compared to the producing of waste, which is also not good for the people. So next point in this only, productions and consumption waste are being generated beyond the preceding limit, beyond the out of the limit, beyond the absorption capacity of environment. अब environment इतना absorb कर ही नहीं पा रहा, waste is producing continuously, productions and consumption activities are more as compared their absorption capacity. Now environment can't absorb, their capability is more than the limit, beyond the limit, because people are continuously producing and consumptions, and because of these activity waste are there. They are producing so much waste now, environment can't digest and environment can't carry this waste, because waste are more as compared to their absorption capacity. Absorption capacity is less now as compared to the waste. So environment now can't deny this fact कि environment is now on that level where harmful activities are more there, because of regeneration. Compared to the regeneration, exploitations are more of the natural resources. In this, because of this, so many pollution are there: air pollution, noise pollutions, air pollution, water pollution, sound pollution. These pollutions limit, and these things are peaking, alarming the limit, picking up the alarming limit. India certainly is the, अब now we can say that India is the level where environment crises are so much, कि environment को इतना ज़्यादा harm हो रहा है, क्योंकि एक तो population pressure इतना जाता है, जहाँ पर सिर्फ 2.5%, for taking as an example 2.5% ही लोग occupy रह सकते हैं, और वहाँ कितने रह रहे हैं 18%. Density of population are so much there. Clear? So in this only, next of this slide, that is डिक्टोमी ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट डिग्रेडेशन. अब इंडिया के अंदर ये इन्वायरमेंट डिग्रेडेशन हो क्यों रहा है, या इतने ट्रीज को कट क्यों किया जा रहा है? इन विच टू सेक्टर वी आर स्टडिंग अबाउट, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ द रिच सेक्शन, बिकॉज ऑफ पुअर सेक्शन. अब रिच सेक्शन तो ये चीजें जान पूछ के कर रहे हैं, जहां वो वेस्ट को नहीं प्रोड्यूस कर सकते थे, जहां काम हो सकता था बिना एनवायरमेंट को हार्म करे, वहां भी क्या है, प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ रही है. वो जान पूछ के नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहा है. उन्हें पता है ये इन्वायरमेंट के लिए नहीं ठीक है, फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए कोई रिसोर्सेज सेव ही नहीं हो पाएंगे, बट दे आर डूइंग दिस एक्टिविटीज विदाउट टेकिंग या विदाउट थिंकिंग अबाउट द environment. They are not listening about the environment, they are not taking care of the environment. And this section society, we can say that they are doing this work without even knowing the environment. They can't टेक दिस द थिंग टू सेव द एनवायरमेंट, कि वो ये चीजों को ध्यान में नहीं रखते कि एनवायरमेंट को सेव करना है. इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस दे आर कंटिन्यूअसली प्रोड्यूसिंग एक्टिविटी, कंटिन्यूअसली डूइंग प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी, continuously doing consumption activity, and because of these activity waste are more producing, that environment can't come in this category. Now they can more absorb all this waste. Clear? And when we talk about the people who are come in the category of poor section, they do not have another one option, कि उन्हें सर्वाइव करने के लिए नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को एक्सप्लॉइट करना पड़ता है. हम उनके फैक्टर को कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. वी कैन टेक दिस फैक्ट कि दे डू नॉट हैव अनदर वन ऑप्शंस, दे आर कंपेल्ड टू डूइंग दिस थिंग्स. बट व्हाट अबाउट द रिच सेक्शन? दे आर डूइंग दिस थिंग्स विदाउट नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट द एनवायरमेंट. वो जान पूछ के ये चीजें करते हैं. लेकिन अगर हम पुअर सेक्शन की बात करें कि उनके पास तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, उन्हें अपने लाइवलीहुड के लिए, उन्हें अपने सर्वाइवल के लिए दे हैव टू डू दिस थिंग्स. बट दोनों ही अगर हम फैक्टर को लेके चले कि ऑटोमेटिकली सफर तो कौन कर रहा है, इन्वायरमेंट ही सफर कर रहा है. तो डिक्टोमी, व्हेन वी टॉक यूजिंग द वर्ड डिक्टोमी, के अपोजिट फैक्टर्स की अगर हम कर रहे हैं, दो सेक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं कि रिच के कारण भी जो लोग जानबूझ के कर रहे हैं, पुअर के कारण भी जिनके पास ऑप्शन नहीं है, उन्हें सर्वाइवल के लिए करना ही पड़ता है. ऑटोमेटिकली दोनों ही चीज से बेसिकली सर्वाइव कौन कर रहा है? इन्वायरमेंट. एक्सप्लोटेशन किसका हो रहा है? इन्वायरमेंट का. नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज एक्सप्लोटेशन हो रहा है. अब रीजन कोई भी रहा हो, या वो मजबूरी में रहा हो या वो जानबूझ के रहा हो, हम अगर एट द एंड बात करें, एक्सप्लोटेशन किसका हो रहा है? नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज का. इन्वायरमेंट क्राइसिस आर देयर, और वो इन्वायरमेंट क्राइसिस में सबसे पहले किस सेक्टर को सोचना चाहिए? दैट इज दिस सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी. पुअर को तो मजबूर होके करना पड़ता है. दे हैव टू सर्वाइव ऑन द प्लेनेट विदाउट बोरोइंग द थिंग्स फ्रॉम द पीपल. एक पॉइंट के बाद वो किसी से बोरो भी नहीं कर सकते. आप कोई भी चीज किसी पर्सन से बोरो करते हो, यू हैव टू कोलेट्रल समथिंग. आपको उसके बदले कुछ सिक्योरिटी में रखना पड़ता है, तभी आपको सेकंड पर्सन कुछ बोरो करेगा. एक पॉइंट के बाद अपने सर्वाइवल के लिए दे हैव टू कंज्यूम समथिंग्स, और उनके कंजप्शन के लिए दे हैव द सोर्स ऑफ इनकम. That's why employment opportunity or employment is one of the important things for the survival of the country, in the country. Clear? So in this talk about degradation, which cutting down the trees without even thinking about the people, or especially without even thinking about the environment. पॉवर्टी इंड्यूस, यहाँ तो मजबूरी की बात होगी, गरीबी है, अपने लाइवलीहुड होने के लिए या अपने सर्वाइवल के लिए उन्हें लकड़ियों के लिए उन्हें वुड को कट करना पड़ता है। यहाँ तो हम बोल सकते हैं दे हैव टू कंपील टू डूइंग दिस थिंग्स, उनके पास तो कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। लेकिन दिस सेक्शन ये चीजें क्या है, जानबूझ के कर रहा है। सो फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द पॉवर्टी सेक्शन।